Hi there, it's Adam from KINCROME and I'm going to show you how to fill your grease gun. Grease guns are a common workshop and garage tool used to apply lubrication to specific points at high pressure. It's a very handy tool and one that's widely used in industrial applications. I've got two grease guns here from the KINCROME range, including the Smart Grease Gun and the Lever Grease Gun. Filling a grease gun for the first time or refilling it can be a tricky and messy experience. Thankfully, there are a number of different methods for filling your gun. All KINCROME grease guns have multiple filling options and are capable of accepting standard sealed cartridges, being manually filled from a container, or being used as a suction plunger from larger bulk containers. Before we start, it's really important that you use eye and hand protection when using and filling grease guns. To assist cleanup, it's always a great idea to have a good supply of old rags. Now we are ready, so let's get into it in these simple steps. Step 1. Start by using some Teflon tape to seal the extension pipe to prevent air escaping. When complete, attach it to the grease gun head. Step 2. It pays to know how the grease gun actually works. Start by unscrewing the gun head from the main barrel. Turn the head upside down. You can see that this one hasn't been used before. If you pump the handle, you can see the piston moving through the cylinder. Under pressure, it is this movement that forces the grease from the barrel into the outlet and into the extension pipe. If there is air trapped in the top part of the grease gun head, the tool will seem faulty because you're pumping the lever and nothing is happening. This is where bleeding the grease gun is necessary. Step 3. Pull back the spring-loaded plunger handle all the way and lock the rod in place in the side notch. The Smart Grease Gun has an automatic lock for this function and the tool is now ready to be filled. Step 4. If you're using a cartridge, remove the pop top. This open end goes into the grease gun barrel first. It's a very important step. If the cartridge goes into the barrel the wrong way, the gun will not work. The other end of the cartridge has a ring pull. This can now be removed. Insert the grease gun cartridge with the ring pull side up into the barrel and push down. If bulk loading the barrel from a tub, the grease can be scooped directly into the barrel or the tool can be used as a suction plunger. Place the open barrel end into the tub of grease and draw back the plunger handle. The grease is drawn up into the barrel. Be sure that you're using gloves and have cleaning rags on hand. Step 5. The head cap can now be fastened back onto the barrel. Do this all the way up for the grease gun models that have bleeder valves. For the lever gun model that doesn't have a bleeder valve, tighten fully and then back off 2 complete turns. This is to expel any trapped air contained in the grease gun head. Step 6. Disengage the plunger handle, being careful of the tension spring in the plunger. If your model has a bleeder valve, hold this down while you release the plunger handle. The air is being bled or purged from the barrel and the gun head will make a hissing sound as the air escapes. For models without bleeder valves, when the plunger handle is released, the air is being bled from the barrel through the half-tension thread. You might need to pump the handle at the same time. When you feel the air has stopped escaping, test the gun by fully tightening the barrel to the grease gun head and pumping the lever until the grease flows continuously from the extension pipe. The grease gun is now ready for use. There are some important safety points to consider when using grease guns. Always ensure that you wear gloves and eye protection when handling grease. Also, maintaining a clean working area will prevent slips and trips. It can be a messy task, but following the steps will ensure that your gun has the grease and you're not wearing it. For more information and troubleshooting, refer to the included manual and please see the KINCROME website.